Arrive in style with this 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: black 3-piece hardtop, trailer tow group, connectivity group, heated front seats, smoker's group, bright white clear coat and black leather trimmed bucket seats. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.